on your face.
I know, I'm closing my eyes. Oh my God, get this! What the hell's going on here?
Oh, Allie, be careful. Zoe, what are you doing? Be careful. Are you preening? She's going to preen your eyebrows. She's going to preen your eyebrows. Who's a good girl, Zoe?
Look at this one. They're all looking forward.
Hi, sweetie. Hi. Want to say anything?
You're getting this birdie on my head.
Look at her. There she goes. She's preening your hair. You're cute, Zoe. What are you looking at? And there's Buster. He's in love with you. And you're oblivious. Watch your eye. Zoe, be careful.
Oh, she won't hurt me.
Yeah, famous last words. Zoe, too hard, too much. It's okay. You're so calm.
Good girl, Allie. Allie's a good girl.
You're being so
Allie's so good. Allie's very good. Honey, I hope they did a bunch of pictures of this bird on my fucking head.
Honey, I took a video. They're going to edit that. You can't say the F word. Stop, and you said it again.
Shit.
Honey, stop cursing.
I know you're taking a video.
I said I was taking a video. I took a whole bunch of pictures already.
I'm sticking with this birdie on my head.
It looks cute. Oh, Zoe, be careful. You just said she wouldn't do that.
Bye. Bye, Zoe.
What is
bye,
it?
Zoe. Allie, say bye to Zoe. Bye, Zoe. Bye, Zoe. Good girl. Oh,
hi, Zoe.
You like Buster?
Hi.
Oh, say hi, Buster.
Hi. Have a kiss?
Hi, Buster. You like Buster.
Thank you for the kiss. You're so pretty.
I like Buster.
Let's see. What are they doing? That's your boyfriend. Flirt with another girl. What are you going to do about that, huh? Are you jealous?
Good girl.
Are you jealous? Why don't you tell the camera? Are you jealous? He's looking at Zoe. He wants Zoe. He loves his Zoe.
Buster, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Oh.
Huh?
Give me a kiss.
Huh? Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, she's dancing. Oh, Ashley. What do you have to say, Zoe? Anything? Nothing?
Don't.
You want to go see Buster? He's coming to see you.
Oh, no. Where's Allie going? Allie's walking away. Allie's walking away.
Who's your good bird, huh? Who's your good bird? You want to go on your perch? Let's see if Buster flies to you. Let's put you away. Here he comes. He loves you, Zoe. He loves you. How does it feel to have somebody love you like that, Zoe, huh? You love him? You love Buster? Aw. What a good girl. Good birdie. What a good birdie. You're a good birdie. Good birdie. Zoe, Buster wants some attention. Who's a good girl? No, don't bite him. Be nice, though. I don't know why he loves you when you bite him so hard sometimes. Be nice to Bust. It's a good girl. Huh? You're very sweet. What's Bust doing, huh? Hi, Buster. You love your Zoe? Good girl, Zoe. He wants you to preen him. Look, he's sidling up to you. You're not paying attention. Pay attention to Buster. Good. Good girl. What's going on with these two?
Taking a video, are you?
Mm-hmm. You cursed throughout the whole thing.
I know. Very bad.
Mm-hmm. Ellie. She's such a good girl.
Ellie's so cute. She's very good. Ellie's so cute.
Good girl. Say good night.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.